Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super handy trick, how to send snaps from your camera roll so they look like a normal snap you took directly in Snapchat. This is perfect if you want your photos or videos to feel natural, without anyone knowing they weren't captured in the app. First, open Snapchat and head to the stickers icon in the bottom left corner. Tap on camera roll and select the photo or video you want to send. Now, here's the trick to make it look like a regular snap. Swipe through the effects at the bottom until you reach explore. Tap it, then hit search and type in green screen. You'll see a bunch of options, but my favorite is the green screen by Briar Kurd. Tap on it and now you can pick any photo from your camera roll. Once you've selected your photo, expand it to cover the entire screen. Now it's that simple. Your photo looks like a snap you just took. From here, you can hit send to and share it with your friends, add it to your story, or even send it in messages. And that's it. A quick, easy way to make your camera roll photos look like real snaps. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next video.